so today's video is going to be on this fall makeup look. I am so happy with how it turned out, and I did use some colored contacts in this video. So these are the Iris Beauty colored contacts in the shade Glam Gray. They did send me these, but I am not being paid to do this video. They're not sponsoring me. I just thought it'd be fun to try out some colored contacts and do a fun makeup look with them. So if you want to see how to get this fall makeup look, then keep watching. Alright, so to start off this look, I already applied my foundation, and I used the Matte and Poreless foundation by Maybelline. I love this so much. I did do my brows, and I put my colored contacts in. So let's warm up this face because I'm looking super pale. So I'm going to start by bronzing my face, and for fall I don't really want to do too much like bronzer. So this is a really good light bronzer by Physicians Formula, and it's called the Bronze Booster. Next I'm going to go in with my NARS blush in the shade Ghoulie, and it's just a really pretty like plum fall color. So now we're going to get right into the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is kind of what makes this tutorial. And I thought the colored contacts would be fun because this eyeshadow is going to be like a burgundy look, and burgundy really contrasts with light blue slash whatever color this is, grayish blue. So yeah, this will be fun. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Favorites palette. This is sold at Ulta or online at Morphe.com. But I'm going to be using the burgundy shade to start. It's like a matte burgundy, and I'm just gonna take that with my finger and just apply it on my entire lid. Don't worry, we're gonna blend. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna apply it with a brush now and do it very lightly because of these contacts. Okay, then we're gonna go in and blend this out, blend out the harsh edges. I'm just gonna take this color right here, right next to that dark burgundy, but I'm gonna tap off a lot of it because I don't want it to be too much. And I'm just going to kind of blend this out. And then I'm going to go into this bright highlighting shade, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners. Then I'm going to drag that up to the inner half of my eyes. And then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush and just kind of blend it out. And then I'm just going to take this dark chocolatey brown. I'm just going to go across my lash line with that, just kind of smudge it. And then I'm going to go back in with that burgundy that we used in the beginning, and I'm just going to take this brush, which is like a Sigma E25, just something a little bit smaller but fluffy, and I'm going to pack that in the outer corner. And then kind of drag it into the crease a little bit. Now you could go and like, you know, put shadow under here, but I don't really like putting shadow on my lower lash line. I feel like it just like makes my eyes look weird. So it's up to you if you want to do that. I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to apply some mascara. So first I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to go in with the mascara while my eyes are popping. Okay, so for my lip, I'm just going to do the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Paint in the shade Spicy Blush, which I use this every single day. It's like the perfect like nudie pink color for me. I like love it. So I'm just going to apply that. And that is the completed makeup look using colored contacts. I'm obsessed with these contacts. So I use the shade Glam Gray. And to get 15% off your purchase at Iris Beauty, you can use my code MakeupByEmily45. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!